I did a beautiful drone shot, but I don't know what happened. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. I'm so excited to be here because today I'm bringing you to Mont-Tremblant. Before I catch you there, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who are watching the videos. It means a lot for me. The support is incredible. Thank you guys and see you there. The joy of living on midweeks. Woo! No traffic. The truck is so dirty. I made it to Mont-Tremblant. The plan for today is to go fat biking. But before, I want to go to Mont-Tremblant village. It's so beautiful. It's cozy. It's like the Whistler of Quebec, I find. People come to Mont-Tremblant for the sports, so it's so nice. It's a little sporty village. So I have to wear a face mask here. I took the little lift. That was the base of the village. Oh my god, I don't see anything with this. That's the ski resort. I love this village, it's so beautiful. It's very cloudy today though. In summer, you can climb the ski resort on foot. There's a lot of stores and restaurants closed in the little village, so it's very empty. So that was a very little tour of the village, but since I didn't ski, there was not much to do. So now I'm making my way to the car to go fat biking. Okay, so guys, I did a beautiful drone shot, but I don't know what happened. The drone just shut down and now it's in the water. No! Oh my god, I literally did 2 drone shots with this one. Oh my god, I suck. So here's the footage, guys. Oh my god. Ah! I guess I have to stay positive. So after crashing the drone in the river, I decided to go a little bit higher in the mountain and ditch the river side. I really don't know what happened. I had the message on the cell phone. It said propellers rotating too fast. So when I saw that message, I tried to bring the drone back as fast as I could to me, but it just shut down. You could see the camera just went up and the drone just kept going lower and lower and lower, and it hit the bridge and just fell in the water. I guess it was a rookie mistake, flying a drone over the water like this. Oh my god! Bye bye! That fat bike session felt so good, but it was the most expensive one. We have around 2 hours of sunlight left, so I'm gonna try to find a camping spot for tonight. It's getting late. It has been an hour since I started, and no luck here. I really find that in winter is harder to find a spot because they don't remove the snow, or there is too much snow to go in a spot. You know the feeling you have when you don't know where you're going to sleep? It's a little scary, but it's part of the adventure. There's no people! Woo! It's very near the road, but it will do for the night. So tonight's beer is Archibald beer. It's made in Quebec by a micro brewery, and it's an India Pale Lager, and it's super good. It's a little bit stronger than normal beers. It's 5.2% of alcohol, but it's good. And tonight I'm gonna eat pastas with my go-to sauce, the tofu sauce. It's super good. And I'm gonna put tomatoes, cauliflower, and onions in it. It's ready! Mmm! Ah, let's eat! Cheers, guys! Oh, it feels good to eat! Tonight is gonna be minus 18. So it's gonna be cold, but not that cold. Minus 18 Celsius. If not, that's my dessert. Some Tim's Reese's with dark chocolate. They're so good. It's so warm in here. I should put the thermometer to see what's the temperature inside, but it feels so hot now and I'm going to sleep. That's one of my tricks. Heat the van, heat the truck before going to sleep. I prefer to be hotter than colder. Good morning, guys. The night was perfect. I think it was the hottest night and the best night I had in the camper. It's 7 a.m. And my windows are all frosty as usual. I'm gonna heat the truck up and make breakfast. I hate these little bottles. They're hard to find, they're expensive, and look at that, they're giving me problems. It's just not consistent. I should have a setup like this one. Directly plug in into a big bottle. I could maybe buy a splitter and buy another hose to go directly in the camping stove. I think it could be a good idea. It's just I don't know how I'm going to pass the hose. Maybe in the ceiling, and I can put a hole here and just bring it down there. We'll see, but these bottles just I don't like them at all. Ski time, baby! Woo! to the top! Woo! Another mountain done. That's the South Mountain side where the village was. But today I'm gonna go to the north because I climbed the north side and my car is in the north side, so I don't want to climb 2 times. Let's eat now! What do you guys think I'm gonna eat? A sandwich! It was so sunny, but now it started to snow. So it's getting cloudy. Felt good. That was my type of getaways. Now I'm making my way back to Montreal. If you guys have video suggestions, I'm open, so let me know in the comment section. And by the way, I love reading you guys. You are from all over the world. It's crazy, it's so nice. I'm gonna leave you guys here for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring. I dedicate this video to the lost drone. Oh, I can't believe it.